Hey, I'm Matteo. I'm the creator of Primo, and in this video I'm going to show you how to build a website in Primo in under 5 minutes. So to get started, let's go to primo.so and click sign in. Then we can sign up with email or GitHub, but the easiest way is just to sign in with GitHub. And we'll need to grant those permissions if we don't have those yet. And this is just so that Primo can build a repository to build your static site out to. And once we're in from the dashboard, let's click create a site and give it a name and a URL. And then we can start from a clean slate, or we can start from a theme. And themes are just starting points. And the cool thing about themes in Primo is that we can actually edit their HTML and add new fields and stuff right from the browser. So I'll create the site and then show you what I mean. And there we go. We're ready to start developing and editing our website. No cloning, no bundling, nothing like that. You'll also notice that our page is split up into different blocks. So we actually edit our Primo sites one block at a time unless there's some data or styles or things that apply to the page or the site. I can add a new block by clicking the plus icon in the top right or bottom right of any block. And here I've added a copy block, and that just means that I can write copy directly on the front end using auto-converting Markdown or using the in-screen UI. And I can also add images to my page. In addition to copy blocks, I can add symbols, and symbols are the reusable components of Primo. But for now, I'm going to keep my page simple and delete all of this. So I'll click Edit here and go into Edit Symbol, and there I have it. I can just edit the code here, and I have Tailwind CSS working out of the box. If you don't know what Tailwind is, it's basically just a much easier way to edit our CSS. So once we're happy with those changes, we can draft that and click Publish and create that repository. And this will publish our two-page website as a static site, so 2 HTML files. And then the last part of this is that we need to host it. So easiest way to do that is to go to vercel.com and sign in with the GitHub account that we used to sign into Primo. And go through the sign up and permissions process. And then we can pick our repository from the list. One thing I should mention that I won't get into here is that we can actually also connect a custom domain to our site for free. And there we have it, a fast loading site built in under 5 minutes. And just to see how fast loading it is, we of course have to run the Lighthouse score. I haven't done any optimization or anything on this site, which I normally would. Just to kind of see a baseline before we do any of that, let's see what the performance is like. And as could be expected of a static site this slim, we get 100 for performance. And as could be expected for a site you didn't spend a lot of time on, we get lower scores for the other stuff. But if we do want to go back and update our site, we can just go to the domain /Primo and sign in. And that's about it. A fast, secure, easily editable website in under 5 minutes. And the best part is that Primo is totally free to use.